Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be recreating a Victoria's Secret set. I did see another YouTuber do it, so I wanted to recreate this look as well. So I do have some announcements I will be doing throughout this video, so please stay tuned to hear all about it. So I am using the Not Polish Pleasure Acrylic powder, which is the only color I will be using for this set, and I will be also using a lighter shade of pink and a black gel polish to do the designs. So I do have a few announcements to make. I do have a giveaway going on right now, so go on to my Instagram and check out all the rules and details. And also, starting tomorrow, I will be doing a March challenge, which basically is 17 days of luck. I will be posting a nail tutorial video every day for 17 days straight, so please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. You don't want to miss out this challenge. I will be doing all green sets, so please forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out. So I am back with some filed and shaped nails. I usually do this step off camera, but as you can see here, I am taking a light pink gel polish and a long detail brush to create these lines, and I'll be doing this step on 2 nails. So once I am done drawing the stripes, I'm going to be going in with this super diamond gel glue and the heart decals and placing them on 2 of the nails on the very tip to add this cute little detail. I know the Victoria's Secret bags usually have a little heart, so I want to add a little heart to resemble that design. So make sure you do push down on the edges of the decal, just because then it could stick out of the nail and it could get stuck on anything and sooner or later it can possibly fall. So right here I am just taking the black gel polish and drawing the V and the S. I believe my phone died here, so the S does not get recorded all the way, but I did struggle a little bit and my S didn't really come out how I wanted to, but I think it turned out very good. I'm not really a great hand drawer, so I was impressed by this. So I am taking some pink rhinestones and placing it on the nails that have the stripes on, and that's pretty much it. And I will be taking the Not Polish matte top coat to top it off. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, make sure you check out my giveaway on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification so you are notified when I upload videos. I will be uploading, like I said before, 17 days of luck, back to back 17 videos. Be ready. Thank you again for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.